So, hello everyone. My name is Gursheen, and you're watching Nation Next. Today, we are in conversation with Rahul Bagga, who recently starred in Anurag Basu directed drama Ludo. In our conversation today, we will be discussing about his newly released and much more. Welcome to the conversation, Rahul.
Thank you so much.
Rahul, speaking about your latest release, Ludo, this is an anthology dark comedy, which portrays a multi-narrative storyline. So, do you think this
Yes,
is the new way of filmmaking, or for that
yes,
matter,
of
why
course.
did Ludo choose this story way of this way of filmmaking?
Guchin, I think this question can be answered perfectly by the director.
But
But yes,
I am
as
sure
an
the director would
Anji.
be able to enhance it a little better than an actor. But again, you have featured in many movies, but this is not the usual kind of acting. This is something,
Ji, ji,
this is more of an inception. There is one story coming from there. There are four different stories going on. There are four different types of, relationships where love is being shown. Like what is a daughter and a father relationship, and then you know, so how would you like to
Honestly
explain that?
speaking, I would first explain you the process of it. Like as an actor, I
Yeah,
was not aware of the storyline at all. This is
yeah,
Mr. Basu's style. So
yeah,
when I joined Ludo,
yeah,
so by that time they had already filmed
yeah,
80% of the film. So
right,
as you would have seen the film, like my
yeah,
chunk with the Anurag Basu sir. So we have
yeah,
actually incorporated the Corona humor also in that way,
mm-hmm.
right? So
It has,
वहां
yes,
पर क्या होता है ना, वहां पर आपको कुछ नहीं पता चलता कि कहानी क्या है, क्या हो रहा है, वो सब अनुराग बासु सर के दिमाग में होता है.
right,
Yes, of course, definitely. When I saw the film myself, because
mm-hmm.
I try to see a film, whatever, if I am part of it, also I try to see it from a third perspective, from the audience
True,
perspective,
true,
right? So when I saw the film, I really liked how he has weaved all these four stories. And as we
yes,
have seen his earlier film also, Life in a Metro.
mm-hmm.
So I
Mm-hmm.
think उसका भी जो तरीका था वो स्टोरी टेलिंग का वो तरीका यही था कि तीन चार स्टोरियों को एक साथ वीव करना. मुझे
Right,
लगता है कि आजकल के ज़माने में जिस तरह की लाइफ हम जी रहे हैं ना,
mm.
हर इंसान के साथ कम से कम नहीं तो 5-6 कहानियाँ साथ में चल रही होती हैं.
बिल्कुल,
आई एम आई एम प्रीटी
बिल्कुल,
श्योर आप अभी मेरा इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो, आपके दिमाग में अपने घर के बारे में भी कुछ चल रहा होगा, अपने दोस्तों के बारे में भी. द फ़िल्म्स का भी जो अब जॉनर है वो धीरे-धीरे बदल रहा है. हम
mm.
एक फ़िल्म में एक कहानी को फ़ॉलो करने में शायद हो सकता है कि बोर हो जाते हैं. हमें
Mm.
उसमें भी जो है 5-6 कहानियाँ, 5-6 ट्रैक एक साथ चलते हुए नज़र आते हैं, तो हमें मज़ा आता है. बिकॉज़ हमारा
So are
दिमाग
you
जो है.
trying to say, Rahul, that audience has started preferring varieties
Yes,
in
yes,
the
yes,
same
yes.
story?
Absolutely, because the attention span of the people have, sorry to say, has gone down. तो उनको engage करने के लिए, I think it is very important for a film to engage them in a way कि वो आपकी कहानी के साथ जुड़े रहें.
Mm.
you know और
True.
हमें हर इंसान हर तबके की कहानी जानने में मजा आता है. As you would have seen the film, like I was really
Yes.
impressed कि at least चलो यार कोई characters तो नजर आए. Like Aditya Roy
Mm.
Kapoor is playing like a
Yes.
stand-up comedian.
Yes.
Rajkumar is playing another character.
Yes.
Everybody has defined roles,
Yes.
defined characters. Whether
Right.
it is like me and Sir's character, which gets disclosed
Mm-hmm.
who we are actually. You
Yes.
know, yeah, Pankaj Tripathi's character.
Yeah.
All the tracks, if you see, are taken from life.
Mhm.
Like
True.
that's the beauty of the film.
That feels relatable, taken from life, and
Absolutely,
these people belong in the community, so you can relate it much more than एक
absolutely.
hero और एक villain,
हाँ,
the
मतलब वो
usual
अब जमाने
storyline
चले गए.
material.
वो अब जमाने
True.
चले गए. अब लोगों को जानना है कि यार मतलब जिस प्रोफेशन एवरीबडी इज वर्किंग. तो उनको
True.
कोई एलियन वर्ल्ड में से कोई कैरेक्टर लाके खड़ा कर देना और उनको उसकी कहानी दिखाने में मजा नहीं आता। उनको चाहिए कि यार मेरे बारे में कहानी दिखा। मूवर्स एंड
Hmm.
पैकर्स में एक काम करने वाला लड़का जो है, या एक
Hmm.
डोमिनोज में काम करने वाली लड़की जो है, एवरीबडी वांट्स टू सी ऑल दोज रियल कैरेक्टर्स, यू नो
True.
सो वो
True.
आपको मिलता है।
Hmm. Initially, Rahul, this movie was slated to be released in April, but COVID
जी
hua and lockdown hua, so the date shifted to November. So from big
जी
screen, there was a jump to small screen. So do you feel
शिट।
the movie has released? It's not a much difference, but do you feel it has received the same appreciation it would have released in on big screen?
I think it would have received the same appreciation. In fact, the producer would have been more happy
Hmm.
because box office would have been like really nice.
Yeah.
Because it has all the ingredients, like it has the
True.
subtle humor. If you see the
True.
film, also the violence is there. I'm totally against
Hmm.
violence. Yeah, I'm done with it.
Hmm.
In our
Hmm.
Hindi cinema, जहाँ देखो गाली, जहाँ देखो न्यूडिटी,
Huh.
जहाँ देखो अजीब सा एक ट्रैक। I was waiting for some sort of a film or web series जो यार मैं अपने ना घर वालों के साथ बैठ के देख पाऊँ। I'm not trying to be rightist,
Hmm.
but this is the fact यार। मतलब आज की डेट में आप हेडफोन्स के अलावा आप कोई भी कंटेंट देख ही नहीं पाते हो। On the
Hmm.
contrary, if you see Ludo has
Hmm.
also violence. Ludo also
Yeah.
has some abuses or anything here and there, but they
Yes.
don't sound bad to your ear. So
Right.
that's the beauty of the director, who
Hmm.
is showcasing the society in the same form which is right now existing, which is
Right.
violence is everywhere. Where
Right.
people are throwing abuses to each other on the street,
Hmm.
for the
Hmm.
traffic reason or whatever reasons. But
Hmm. Hmm.
how he, as a director, as a filmmaker, how he incorporates all those realities of the society in
Hmm.
his film and
Hmm.
still not make it cheap, still
Yeah.
not make it like in the sense which is jarring to your ears.
Right.
तो अब कुछ तो कोई तो ऐसा कंटेंट हो जो लोगों को खुश करे यार, लाइक इन द सेंस जो हंसी लेके आए।
True.
कोई तो ऐसा कंटेंट हो जो मैं अपने घर वालों के साथ बैठ के देख पाऊँ।
Bilkul,
यू नो
bilkul. So
सो
Rahul,
दिस इज
you
व्हाट आई
featured,
बिलीव इन। जी
yeah, you were alongside greatest stars from the industry, starting from Abhishek Bachchan. Then there was Rajkumar Rao. Then there is nation's new favorite Pankaj Tripathi. Then who else? There is Aditya Roy Kapoor with his stand-up
इश्तियाक इज देयर।
comedy. Ishtiaq is there. He
इश्तियाक इज
has
देयर, या
Aditya Roy
शालिनी
Kapoor
जी
has
इज
had
देयर।
a very marvelous role. So how was working with them like?
Honestly speaking, I never met them because
Yeah.
all my chunk was shot differently. And
Acha, you did not see them at all.
yeah, and most of them are my seniors or
Yeah.
contemporaries or friends. Like me
Right.
and Pankaj Tripathi, we started our theater days together in Delhi. So he was in
Right.
NSD, I was in a
Right.
group called Act One.
Right.
So when we first worked together was Powder, which was produced by
Yes.
YRF for Sony.
Right.
So me
Right.
and Pankaj, we have been bumping into each other as an actor, as co-actors in more than now 3, 4 projects now. So it's
Right.
always fun to be around to share the screen with him.
So
Similarly,
it's a
Abhishek sir,
comfort level with him.
yes. Ishtiaq was
Yeah.
there in Mastram, so I
Yes.
know him. So Shalini ma'am, I know her background. She's also from the same group I am from. So it was like a total in terms of like a family atmosphere. And Anurag
Right.
sir's set is also like that,
Right.
you know.
Speak.
Though he
Yeah.
doesn't give the
So
script,
yeah.
but सेट का एटमॉस्फेयर होता है वो इतना कंफर्टेबल होता है किसी भी एक्टर के लिए that you
Right.
enjoy being there. Yeah.
Okay. So speaking about COVID-19 pandemic, Rahul, the lockdown was initiated for citizen safety. But then
Hmm.
during this lockdown, there was an unusual change which came, that we all as audience became addicted to web series and something, and to OTT platforms and to films that were released on these platforms, on these online platforms, because nobody
Hmm.
would go outside, theaters बंद थे, सब कुछ यूजुअली बंद ही था, तो अपनी सेफ्टी के लिए हमें घर पे रहना पड़ रहा था. So do you think
जी
this
जी.
has taken, this will be the future of the film industry, कि फिल्म बाहर तो रिलीज होगी ही, बट ऑनलाइन नेटफ्लिक्स, amazon प्राइम जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स में भी होगी?
यार देखो, प्रोज एंड कॉन्स तो हर चीज के होते हैं. मेरे जैसे
हम्म.
एक्टर जो थे, वो इंस्पायर हुए थे बड़े पर्दे से, लाइक इन द सेंस पोस्टर छपेगा, ऐसा होगा
या
वैसा होगा, मतलब
या
सिनेमा हॉल के बाहर जो है लोग खड़े होंगे,
हम्म
आप बाहर निकलेंगे, आप फिल्म देखेंगे, वहां सीटियां बज रही होंगी, तो
हम्म
आपने अपना करियर तो ऐसे ही शुरू किया था. सो बेसिकली अब हुआ ये है कि यार अब नेटफ्लिक्स अमेजोन पे ये सारी चीजें आएंगी, तो कहीं ना
हम्म
कहीं ऑडियंस देखने के जो हेड्स हैं वो तो
हम्म.
डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे. बिकॉज अब
राइट.
आज की डेट में हर किसी के हाथ में इंटरनेट है, हर किसी के हाथ
ट्रू.
में फोन है. तो
बिल्कुल.
डेफिनेटली जो यू वोंट बिलीव, मैं आपके साथ एक इंसिडेंट शेयर करूंगा. एक बार मैं अभी बीच में
हम्म.
अरुणाचल प्रदेश गया था.
राइट.
तो जब मैं अरुणाचल प्रदेश गया, वहां मैं एक छोटे से घर के अंदर जब घुसा, तो वहां पे एक दादी बैठी हुई थी. और
हम्म.
शी वाज लुकिंग एज इफ, लाइक इन द सेंस, जो होता है ना कि मतलब फोक टेल्स में जो हम सुनते थे कि अरुणाचल
राइट.
प्रदेश घर के अंदर कैसी एक दादी होगी, वो लिटरली वैसी
हाँ.
ही दादी थी. मुझे नहीं
ओके.
पता था कि उनको कुछ मतलब एबीसीडी भी पता होगा बॉलीवुड का, हिंदी सिनेमा
हाँ
का.
हाँ
बट
हाँ.
यू वोंट बिलीव, वहां पर बजरंगी भाईजान चल रही थी.
एंड शी
तो
वाज
कहने का
एंजॉयिंग दैट.
मतलब ये है, एंड शी वाज हैप्पी एंड शी न्यू, द एक्टर्स एंड ऑल एंड एवरीवन. तो मुझे लगा यार रीच तो है इंटरनेट की,
हाँ.
डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं डिजिटल की रीच तो
बिल्कुल.
है ना.
हम्म.
बट यस,
बिल्कुल.
सिनेमा हॉल, बिग स्क्रीन, वो अभी
हम्म
तो फिलहाल तो नॉस्टैल्जिया ही लग रहा है.
हम्म.
वो कब
राइट
शुरू
नाउ
होगा
जैसे
पता
yeah, from OTT
नहीं.
platforms, Rahul, the web series बहुत highlighted है OTT
जी.
platforms में. अब they have started releasing films as well. So how would you like to strike a comparison between films and web series on these platforms?
देखो यार, मेरा तो लूडो में एक डायलॉग है, ऑलवेज पंक्चुअल सर, टाइम से पहले आ जाते हैं हम. तो वेब सीरीज का भी जो जॉनर है, आई थिंक आई एम वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट एक्टर्स हु गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एक्सप्लोर दिस
Hmm.
साइड ऑफ सिनेमा.
Right.
क्योंकि वाईआरएफ ने ये काम जो है 2008-2009 में शुरू कर दिया था.
Mm-hmm.
राइट.
Right.
सो मैं तो तब से आई न्यू कि ये एक
Hmm.
नया चेंज है जो आने वाला है. अब कितना टाइम लगेगा इसमें ये नहीं पता था, और अब मुझे लगता है वो फुल फ्लेश्ड वो चेंज आ चुका है. इट्स
तो
जस्ट
आपको
दैट
लगता
नाउ.
है special रहेगा for you, for
डेफिनेटली.
audience like us?
Definitely, for everyone,
Hmm.
like in the sense,
Mm-hmm.
yes, of course, we need to check our moral standards. Yes, of
Right.
course, we need to check, like in the sense, the kind of content we are producing, the kind
Mm-hmm.
of actors we are choosing, the kind of crew
Mm.
we are choosing. I think it is
Right.
giving opportunities to lot of budding people who would be
Right.
joining the industry, who have
Mm-hmm.
probably joined just like a year back, जो कहीं
Yeah.
से कोर्स करके कुछ छोटा मोटा कहीं से सीख के या बिना सीखे भी,
Mm-hmm.
अगर कोई
Mm.
लड़का या लड़की बॉम्बे में आए हैं, जिसको अभी आए हुए
Mm-hmm.
प्रोबेबली 1 साल हुआ है, आई थिंक
Mm.
उसके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है. पीपल आर लुकिंग फॉर गुड टैलेंट. और कम
Right.
पैसे चाहिए प्रोड्यूसर को, तो यही
Mm.
होता है कि भैया पैसे बचा लें किसी तरीके से.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm sure. So, lastly, wrapping up this interview, Rahul, I would like to ask you on work front, and now due to the ongoing pandemic, when do you feel the film industry will, and how much time will the film industry take to revive and come back to normal with the new normal?
I think we need to forget about it and start working. I think
Yeah.
as an actor, I always believe in this thing that I
Mm.
should have a script every day.
Mm.
I don't wait for any director, any producer, any writer. I get up in the
Mm.
morning as an actor, as an artist. and I check for myself and I ask myself कि राहुल बग्गा आज की script क्या है, you know. So I think rather than focusing on what will happen, I think we should focus on what am I doing today, currently,
Yes.
you know. So
Yes.
that's what I believe in. So I think everything is fine, everything is good if we
So no
concentrate
matter
on the
what
good
happens,
quality.
so no matter what happens, the picture should go on. Movie चलती
Yeah.
रहनी चाहिए.
So मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, ये देख रहे हैं आप मेरे पीछे,
Yes.
this is called compost. See, I
Okay.
will show you.
You're
This is
farming?
called compost. Yes, I have started my own farming business in Uttarakhand.
You're in
So right,
Uttarakhand right now. All
I am
green and
in Bhavali.
healthy.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is a place called Jolikot. So I had
Okay.
come here. So as I
So you're
told you,
following Salman Khan's footsteps of,
हाँ
incorporating.
उनके साथ हाँ उनके साथ भी काफी समय बिताया ना, तो उनसे काफी सीखने को मिला. Because
अच्छा.
Sultan में I was training him in
Yes,
terms
yes,
of
yes.
Haryanvi diction is concerned. So
Yes.
actually I was just contemplating during Corona कि
Right.
as like a person, everybody likes to be called, Gurshin, I am a journalist, Rahul Bagga, I am an
Yes.
actor. But
Yes.
in today's time, our youth doesn't like to be called Rahul Bagga, I am a farmer, I am a kisan.
Hmm. Hmm.
So actually I thought कि चलो अब ये myth भी break करके दिखाते हैं.
बिल्कुल. So breaking the monotony. Rahul, it was
Absolutely.
an absolute pleasure speaking to you. Many, many congratulations for your film Ludo. I loved it
So much.
personally, and I wish you all the luck for your future endeavors. Please keep safe.
Thank you so much.
Subscribe to Nation Next YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates from Nation Next. Also like Nation Next Facebook page and follow us on Instagram and Twitter.